The FILET. 3D printing has become a hot topic, with some places already offering printed food. In Austria, for instance, they're selling 3D printed vegan salmon fillets, making it the world's first 3D printed food product available in supermarkets. In other words, the technology is ready for widespread use. The key ingredient in these printed fillets is fungi-based microprotein, which makes production easy and cost-effective. These fillets are also rich in protein and fatty acid, making them a nutritious choice. On top of that, they taste like real fish. In Austria, you can find these printed fillets on the shelves of the RIWA supermarket chain and in other European countries. They will be available at Rewa's Biller chain, which has over 2,100 stores across the EU. FORMIC. The German startup FORMIC aims to simplify the transportation of heavy and oversized loads. The current solution to this challenge involves these robots. A group of up to 15 robots is synchronized and controlled by a single operator. Each robot is built to handle a 2.5-ton load, meaning that together 15 robots can manage a load of 37.5 tons. This is enough, for instance, to move an F-35 airplane. FORMIC is open to customizing the robots as needed, such as adding an improved lifting mechanism or adjusting their dimensions. The company's future looks promising as FORMIC representatives even attended the annual Manufacturing Technologies exhibition EMO, which draws hundreds of thousands of guests and thousands of teams from all over the world. SolarisKit. The average household uses around 2,200 kilowatt hours of energy each year just for heating water, which can be costly and not great for the environment. But what if we could switch to free solar energy? Well, here's a solution from the UK that can help with that. It's a water heater that you can put together without any special tools. In just 15 minutes, this heater can warm up your water to 50 degrees Celsius. Another big advantage is its small size, making it easy to order online, and the flat packaging reduces the risk of damage during shipping. You can get the S400 model heater for $200. Summer Puffer. Once upon a time, Tiger Beer, a brand from Singapore, and Izzy are a London-based fashion brand. Crossed paths might sound like the beginning of a joke, but their work and results are real. This is a unique down jacket designed for comfort even during summer. The trick is, the jacket has tubes sewn into it that circulate cold water. What's curious is that you cool these tubes by placing beer cans in the fridge first and then slipping them into a special pocket in the jacket. This cooling reserve lasts for a couple of hours. However, it's worth noting that this special down jacket won't be mass-produced. The sole piece will make its debut at Paris Fashion Week and is planned to be sold for around $850. Nano T. Hong Kong has something interesting to offer as well. A local clothing design studio has launched the Nano T on Kickstarter. Thanks to its use of nanotechnology and silver ions, this t-shirt doesn't wrinkle, repels dirt, and doesn't hold on to odors, including sweat. Plus, it's made entirely of 100% cotton, so it remains breathable. The secret to its durability lies in a special treatment and coating. Granted, it may endure fewer washes compared to regular tees, but you won't need to wash it as frequently. The price for a Nano T starts at $40. Makes you wonder how much you'll save on laundry and ironing, doesn't it? Honda Motocompacto. Back in 1981, Honda introduced the Motocompacto mode. It was incredibly compact, small enough to fit in a car trunk. The concept was all about convenience, allowing users to smoothly transition from the parking spot to their final destination. Imagine this: you park your car at a campsite, pull out the Motocompacto, and zip over to your chosen spot. However, the Motocompacto didn't catch on, and by 1983, its production stopped. Fast forward 40 years, And there's a surprise for the public. The Motocompacto is back. Although now it's called the Motocompacto, it runs on electricity and can COVID-19 km on a single charge. It might not be a long distance, but it sure is compact when folded. The Motocompacto is a 74 by 53.5 centimeter package. You can get your hands on this one by November for around $1,000. Skidbike. If you decide to upgrade to a more potent motorcycle after trying out the Motocompacto, brace yourself for some heavy traffic. In 2020, 44.5 million motorcycles and 78.5 million cars were sold globally. Fortunately, motorcycle instructors have a handy tool at their disposal. It's called a Skidbike. This system not only allows them to discuss tricky situations in the classroom, but also recreate them on the practice track. Skidbike can be attached to regular motorcycles, enabling adjustments to the lean angle up to 35 degrees and tire traction. This means that you can stimulate slippery or wet roads, unexpected obstacles, and even high-speed chases. Consequently, the Skidbike system proves useful for everyday riders, racers, and even traffic police officers. Powerbreather. The American company Amio Watersports holds the belief that people who breathe properly can swim better. To help with this, they present the Powerbreather system, which is suitable for both professional athletes and those who use swimming as a form of therapy. The Powerbreather special design ensures swimmers always inhale fresh, oxygen-rich air. This happens because inhalation and exhalation are completely separated, preventing issues like carbon dioxide and moisture buildup. Additionally, the Powerbreather adapts to your head's width and provides a customizable mouthpiece, making it not only effective but comfortable too. You can get the Powerbreather for $105. Hex Hives. Around a third of the world's food production relies on bees. If bees were to vanish, items like apples, pears, butter, cheese, and many more would just disappear from store shelves. Luckily, nearly anyone can aid bees. An American company offers the world's first 3D printed beehives. You can purchase either ready-made hives or files for printing. These hives are perfect for beginner beekeepers, ensuring comfort for the bees with a hexagonal design. They've even been featured on the Charlie Bee Company show. The cost for a hive printing file is $64, while a complete hive is priced at $100. FlexStep. The UN reports that roughly 15% of the world's population experiences some form of disability. That's why this innovation from the Danish company LiftUp holds the potential to become a major international success. It's essentially a staircase that turns into an elevator and is already assisting residents in Paris, Oslo, and Copenhagen. In its standard form, this staircase ranges from 2 to 6 steps, ascending to a height of up to 1.25 meters and supporting loads of up to 400 kg. You can customize the staircase using the configurator on the LiftUp website, and architects can access Autodesk Revit program drawings for planning. Hangar H75 Jeddah. Let's talk about the world's largest inflatable hangar. Designed by the Spanish company Buildair, this hangar spans 6,000 meters square with an internal height of 26 meters. This generous space allows for housing and maintaining large planes like the Airbus A330. Notably, it comes equipped with lighting, air conditioning, and fire suppression systems, ensuring safety and convenience. For added safety, 2 emergency exits have been integrated into the hangar's sides. After undergoing inspection, this impressive hangar found a new home in Saudi Arabia, where it's proven to be a valuable asset for the country's flagship airline, Saudi Airlines. And this is just one of Buildair's success stories. They can craft inflatable hangars as wide as 90 meters and of any desired length, tailoring their solutions to various needs.